Haha! It's unboxing day. We love these days. It's Christmas. It's Christmas for me. It's Christmas for you. So let's see what we got. So this is from Tadafusa. If I said their name wrong, they'll let me know. Trust me. And this is a 105 millimeter. It's called an Aijikiri. It's nice, huh? Nice box. So this is a 105 millimeter. It's called a Nasiji Aijikiri. Aji means horse mackerel. And then this is 105 millimeter. Oh, it's got the D-shaped handle. Keep that. It is in the shape of a deba. Now they actually refer to this as a wide petty, but you can see it has that deba shape, but it's a 50-50 bevel. You know, I mean, it is crazy thin. Like, yeah, oh yeah, man. It's got the D-shaped handle. Yeah, that's just, and you can see definitely like filleting small fish. I wouldn't go through like chopping heads off, nor would you need to for like a small fish. So let's test it out. I always keep paper handy. So we got two things here. We got just a piece of paper. Check out. It's got a nice sound. Let's fold it over. So another test is like folding it over and not creasing it. Yep. It's a smaller blade, so it was hard to like find an area to like do that. So, oh yeah. All right, let's put it on some rolling paper. So let's get a new one of these. They're all nice and thin. Make it all nice. Let's see if we can do like a little push cut. I don't know if I can push it. It did more of a tear on it. Let's see if we can give it like a little slice though. Oh yeah, we got a beautiful slice though. So that's gonna be sharp. This is blue paper number 2. So this is a carbon steel. It is reactive. As a petty, I could definitely use this with lemons, oranges. I do keep those all the time in the house. Could cut up onions if you wanted to. Maybe more of a shallot or garlic. But definitely like a smaller fish. And I live on the coast in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So definitely if you catch some fish, you could use that. Like I said, I would not cut the heads off. But yeah, that's awesome. So again, Aijikiri, blue number 2, D-shaped handle. It's called a shinogi handle, which is an odd name for the shinogi handle. And yeah, so Tadafusa, I'll definitely put a link to their website. And yeah, it was awesome. And I appreciate what they do. You know, I love a new knife. So happy knife day. Hey, thanks guys, and I'm wishing you never a dull moment.